Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you're fine now guys. Welcome back to another latest update video about the cryptocurrency market guys. Today video are going special about MIR protocol token guys, because in this video I'm talking about the price prediction update of MIR protocol, that what's the price changes occur in the MIR protocol. Let me show you these all things clear in this short video guys. So first of all, if we talk about the currently latest price of MIR protocol in the market, so now the current price of MIR coin in the market is 0.1613 US dollar. That is the current price of MIR protocol token in the market. And on the other side, if we talk about the changes update, so negative 7.23%, negative 7.23% negative. Unfortunately, not only MIR token price are negative, the whole cryptocurrency Cardano, XRP, and Anchor protocol, a lot of cryptocurrency price are completely negative in the last 24 hours guys. Now let's just see the future prediction that what's coming in an Anchor protocol. As you can see here, if you see the last 24 hours trading volume of Anchor of MIR protocol, so also 36.08%. The trading volume of MIR protocol are negative, so that's bad news. That trading volume, if trading volume are negative, you can see here, so possibility that it dump more. If people are selling, so the supply will increase, supply will decrease, and if market supply decrease, so obviously the price will start dumping guys. Still guys, if you see the price chart, so it's continuously dumping. As the trading volume is still negative, so possibilities that it will dump more for upcoming 1 or 2 hour. It continues this dumping. After that there's possibilities for MIR protocol that it start moving upward guys. So my personal opinion about MIR protocol is that just wait for its low price and buy on low price and just hold. If you buy MIR protocol on low price and just hold for a short time, so it will give you good profit in the short time trade guys. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.